What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rough around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left and center, and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man, and don't you hear it? Major song, and I like that.
Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY Easter project. If you watched my live 3 days ago, you will see that I was at Dollar Tree doing a live shopping call and I picked up these items. I was indecisive about my flowers here. I wasn't too sure if this was the color combo I wanted to go with, but I do have some leftover flowers here from my Easter ring pop. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and check it out. Like the video, leave me a comment down below. Today we're making an Easter vase using jelly beans, faux flowers, this cute vase from Dollar Tree, everything from Dollar Tree, and peeps, okay? So it's going to be super duper cute. This was my last DIY project. If you haven't watched this video, go ahead and check it out. It's my last video I posted, which was yesterday. It is an Easter egg centerpiece in a cake dish. So all easy, all cute, all budget friendly, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started with this project. What I need you to do first in the comment section is say, hey T. If you plan to try this project, go ahead and tag me on your social media platforms. All my social media names are in the beginning and end of my video. Also in the description box down below. Okay, let's get to it. First, we're going to start with our jelly beans. Then we're going to add our peeps. Then we're going to add our flowers. Okay? So go ahead and enjoy the music. And I hope y'all enjoy this project.
Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you for my girl. You see, but you're so baby. It's okay, girl.
Run that this away from easy now, no need figure down. Easy now, no need figure down. Rock that run that this away from easy now, no need figure down. Easy now, no need figure down. Rock that run that this away from. Get it to die, get it to die, da 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 da. Get it to die, get it to die, da 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 da. Get it to die, da 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 da. Get it to die. No, money, yeah.
Give it to me. You see us on the floor, they acting real nice. You see us on the floor, they watching all night. We're here to talk about it. Wanna see you work your body. You see us on the floor, they acting real nice. You see us on the floor, they watching all night. We're here to talk about it. Wanna see you work your body. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight.
Alright, sweetie, so here's my finished Dollar Tree DIY Easter vase centerpiece. So I have my jelly beans, my peeps, and my pink peeps. They decided to split a little bit. But I think it's still a very, very cute vase. And what you're going to need is 4 packs of peeps instead of 3. Okay? So get 4 packs of peeps so that you can fill the back. But I kind of like the greenery in the back. It kind of breaks it up a little bit. But I think it's super cute. I wish the pink would have stayed together a little bit more. But this is such a cute project. And if you decide to try, go ahead and tag me in your picture or video on social media. My social media names are in the beginning and the end of all my videos, as well as in the description box down below. Give this video a fat thumbs up. Thank you for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. Subscribe, click the bell to be notified each and every time I post a video. Share, share, share. Don't skip the ads. And I'll see y'all in the next DIY project. I am out. Peace.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is never thin. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing.